Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this quick and easy roasted whole chicken. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's take a quick look at the ingredients I'll be using today. Here I have a small whole chicken and I'll be using some melted butter. I have some garlic and onion powder, some paprika, a little bit of sazon, some chicken bouillon, complete seasoning, and some seasoned salt. So the first thing you want to do is combine the seasonings and the butter, mix that real well and set aside. Next, we'll go ahead and pat the chicken dry on both sides before we start applying the seasoning. Now you want to apply the seasoning and make sure that it's evenly coated on all sides. You also want to lift the skin where you can and apply that seasoning up in the breast, the legs, the thighs, and all that good stuff. Once we are done, we'll allow this to sit for about an hour or two. If you have time and you can let it go longer, go right ahead. But today I did not have the time. I was rushing to cook dinner, so yeah, I only allow it to sit for about an hour. And you know, the chicken was still amazing. Next, we will place it into our favorite baking dish. I'm using a skillet today and we will preheat the oven to 400. Place this inside of the oven for about an hour and 15 minutes. After about an hour and 15 minutes, this is how the chicken is looking. It smells absolutely amazing. It was so flavorful and delicious. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.